Hey all, இன்னைக்கு நம்ம CCW331 Business Analytics important questions பார்க்க போறோம். Part A. First question, explain the role of analytics in business decision making. Second one, what is data science? Third one, differentiate descriptive and predictive analytics. Fourth one, define data warehouse. Fifth one, what is knowledge management? Sixth one, explain OLAP. Seventh one, what is predictive analytics? Eighth one, define demand planning. Ninth one, what is HR analytics? 10th one, state the importance of customer behavior analysis. Part B. 11th one, option A, explain the analytics life cycle with suitable examples. Or option B, discuss the stages involved in business problem definition, data collection and data preparation. 12th one, option A, explain the concepts of business intelligence and decision support systems. Option B, discuss data warehouse, data mart and knowledge management. 13th one, option A, explain data mining and predictive analytics modeling. Option B, discuss the role of machine learning in business forecasting. 14th one, option A, explain the applications of analytics in human resource management. Option B, discuss the role of analytics in supply chain planning, inventory and logistics. 15th one, option A, explain marketing strategy, marketing mix and customer behavior. Or option B, discuss analytics applications in marketing and sales. Part C, 16th one, option A, analyze how predictive analytics helps organizations improve business performance. Or option B, analyze the applications of business analytics across various business functions. Unit-wise important topics. Unit 1, Introduction to Business Analytics. First topic, Analytics Lifecycle. Second one, Types of Analytics. Third one, Data Preparation. Fourth one, Hypothesis Generation. Fifth one, Modeling. Sixth one, Validation and Evaluation. Unit 2, Business Intelligence. First one, Data Warehouse and Data Mart. Second one, Knowledge Management. Third one, Decision Making Process. Fourth one, Decision Support System. Fifth one, Business Intelligence. Sixth one, OLAP. Unit 3, Business Forecasting. First one, Business Forecasting. Second one, Predictive Analytics. Third one, Data Mining. Fourth one, Predictive Analysis, Modeling. Fifth one, Machine Learning for Predictive Analytics. Unit 4, HR and Supply Chain Analytics. First one, Training and Development. Second one, Supply Chain Network. Third one, Demand Planning. Fourth one, Inventory and Supply Planning. Fifth one, Logistics. Sixth one, Analytics Applications in HR. Seventh one, Analytics Applications in Supply Chain. Unit 5, Marketing and Sales Analytics. First one, Marketing Strategy. Second one, Marketing Mix. Third one, Customer Behavior. Fourth one, Sales Planning. Fifth one, Analytics Applications in Marketing and Sales. Sixth one, Predictive Analytics for Customer Behavior. இது எல்லாமே யூனிட் வைஸ்க்கான கொஸ்டின்ஸ். இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க SBJ Tech Academy.